Hey, my name is Justin, and I am doing a testimonial for Liberty Aid and Jack McCaig's debt elimination program. Also, this is for the trust as well. So I have to first off that this is incredible work that Jack is doing and that Liberty Aid is offering as a service to people. It's just unbelievably amazing. The support that he gives to his clients is unmatched, and I really cannot say enough how much I am grateful for Jack and to the creator for this incredible work. I would say that this is true and tried. If you want to eliminate any debt, and all debts are collected illegally. If you want to eliminate any debt, this is the way to do it. This really is the way to do it. So I'm going to give a situation that happened. It was an acute situation with a family member, an immediate family member, and I knew that I needed to help them. And I felt like I had enough experience with the trust and the debt elimination package to do that. And so I immediately helped this family member get a trust going. And then with Jack's help, immediately helped them fix an acute situation. They actually had a credit card that they stopped paying on and did nothing about, and they were slapped with a lawsuit from a creditor and didn't know what to do. And so they were getting down to the wire of when they could respond before there was going to be a default judgment made in the bankster's favor, of course. And so with the help of Jack, we were able to submit a counterclaim. We paid a very small amount of money to be able to submit that counterclaim, and we used the In God We Trust counterclaim. So we didn't even get to debt validation with this. And there was, I would say, I knew that this was something like this was going to happen, but I was blown away by this when we walked into the courtroom. So the day of the hearing comes, and we go to the courthouse, and I'm there to support my family member. And so the attorney representing the banksters basically asks my family member to come and talk to him before the hearing starts. And my family member basically just asked me the one question you're supposed to ask, which is, what is your settlement offer? And the first words out of the attorney's mouth are, we don't want you here. We don't want this case. We are willing to wipe all record of this from your credit report and dismiss our claim with prejudice if you dismiss your counterclaim. Unbelievable. Absolutely incredibly amazing. A miracle. Only the creator could have done that. You're truly standing in truth when you use this work, when you sign a trust, when you use the debt elimination package to eliminate the alleged debts that are collected illegally from these banksters. And they folded. We didn't even have to present anything. They folded in a second. And my family member was just absolutely blown away. This has inspired my whole family and really has inspired me to really take the next step in the action plan that I was already planning to do. But just to see that was incredible. So I just have to say from my heart, thank you so much, Jack, for your work. Thank you to the creator for giving this to you, and for you for sharing it with the world, because it is absolutely incredible. Okay, thanks so much. Take care.